The success of your mission-critical project hinges on the quick construction of essential infrastructure. As a global leader in energy and infrastructure construction, Michels delivers end-to-end solutions for mission-critical projects. From ground improvement and foundations to utility lines and roadways, our wet and dry utility and civil construction services transform large undeveloped parcels into buildable sites. Michels builds high-voltage transmission infrastructure to deliver power from both traditional grid and alternative sources. We have extensive design and construction experiences with renewable energy sources, including wind and solar energy plants, battery energy storage systems, hydrogen electrolyzers, and gas-to-power generation facilities, helping ensure a continuous supply of power for your mission-critical operation. As an engineering, procurement, and construction contractor, Michels delivers turnkey substation solutions to meet the specific energy needs of the most demanding mission-critical projects. Our expertise in aerial, trench, and trenchless construction ensures pipelines, communication cables, and conductors are installed with minimal disruption under rivers, waterways, environmentally sensitive areas, and even existing structures. Since 1959, Michels has provided the safest, most reliable solutions for the world's evolving energy and infrastructure needs. With our experience, innovation, massive equipment fleet, and locations around the globe, it's easy to see why Michels is trusted to deliver the mission-critical projects of tomorrow. All scopes, one contractor, speed without compromise.